Ever felt like your SaaS design is losing users silently? Like watching a leaky faucet drip away revenue while you scramble for buckets? The Building Churn Risk Alert system plugs straight into your workflow with real time behavior dashboards using D3.js and React, Python.js libraries for custom prediction models, webhook triggers for Slack alerts, and CRM sync via REST APIs. This isn't just UX improvement, it's user retention with a seatbelt. For UX designers, front end devs, product managers, and growth hackers, don't let users ghost you unless they're CSS selectors. Here's what's inside the Building Churn Risk Alert System skill: real time visualization of clickstream analytics, LTV prediction algorithms using logistic regression, automated SMS/email alerts via Twilio/SMTP integrations, CRM sync with HubSpot/Salesforce, and React component libraries for alert dashboards. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn silent churn into screaming success. Your retention playbook just got a steroid injection. Installing the Building Churn Risk Alert System skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building Churn Risk-Alert-System. That's it. You get the complete skill with expert level guidance, production ready code templates, and pre built alert logic. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent retention engineering. No config hell, no dependency nightmares. Now go build retention that sticks, like superglue with benefits.